door is complete. This is how the latch works for now. This is what I came up with. I had this handle, and then this was from our gate, like a latch thing. Had this on it so it would like latch into there. So all I do is just turn that and it opens nicely. Here it is on the inside. Some nice heavy duty hinges. They should last a long time. This is a pretty light door and got these nice hinges on there. So yeah, now the only thing I want to do is go along the outside edge. When I put this plastic on, it was before I raised it up on these pillars that I made for it. So now it's lifted off the ground, so I want to go along that with like bricks or rocks or pavers or something, and make that look a little better and seal up the bottom. So, yeah, I'm gonna take the shade cloth off now for the winter and just ready to go.